Today we are going to see how to connect front end with the back end. So if I have index HTML file, this is a single file which will contains the index file and the style sheet and the JavaScript in a single file, right? Okay, it's a single file, so don't need css.style sheet. Okay, now I'm going to run this. Okay, it's just I have run. This is our page. You can see what is happened here. My HTML code, the body tag, I have the class container. Inside the container there is a heading submit your information. Within it I have a form. Okay, it's a form contains a name with the label name and the email address with the label email, and there is a submit button. Okay, I have three components inside the form, and I'm going to display the result below the form, but the form page will be hidden and the result will display. Okay, let me check. I just refreshing my the page, and I just entering email and submit. See how your submit your information will be staying and the form section will be hidden. This is done by CSS code, and the submission result hello Selva, your email Selva has been submitted successfully. You can go back. See, here is the form page. Okay, how this happened we can check it in our CSS. Let's check it in our CSS. Like inside the JavaScript we have wrote in, right? Okay, how this functions, right? First we are going to check ID, form ID, my form. So I am getting the element by ID using my form ID and adding the event listener, which is when the submit, which means the type submit or the ID my form, the submit is happened, then the event should occur. The event is prevent default. This is a default event that gets the data which is posted, okay, in JavaScript. Okay, and I am getting the value from name. ID get element by name, and the value will be stored in the var name, and the same like email also stored in the email. Okay, then I have an result ID. Okay, result ID, here is the value will be printed. Now it is display none, which means first initially there is no section will be displayed due to the display none styling. Okay, we can create a separate CSS file and use the result ID, and you can place the attribute display none inside. I just placed here because it's a single file. Okay, so I think we don't need these reference links. Initially I created a new file and then I removed that file, and let's check it. Okay, email result will be here, and the message, what message should be printed, as we have seen when I submitted this message hello Selva your email, this message will be printed. Okay, how it's printed, see, message p dot text content, it's a text content that would be the hello, this name, the name getting in the JavaScript will be written like this, and the email has been successfully written. Okay, then now you can see the result div dot style dot display equal to block. It will here the display none, so this will be hidden. When you get the element and going to display, it will be in the block. Okay, so now it will be shown, which means it will be displayed, and the next line document.query selector form, the whole elements in the form are set to be none, which means it will be hidden. That's what happened when, see, go back, when we entered here the display result div is hidden. When I submitted, the form div will be hidden, and the page that will print the message will be displayed. Okay, This is how this page works. And then you can see the document element by go back. When I click the go back, it should be the same, like result will be hidden and the forms elements will be displayed. Okay, this is a single page without backend connection. I have just declared a HTML file with CSS and JavaScript included in this file.